I'm Wander. I travel, and when I do, I taste everything twice. It's my belief that a valid opinion can only be held after the second bite. I try and push the limits to show you that cookie-cutter holidays don't have to be your default destination. I don't make any reservations or excuses. Everything is straight off the cuff and on the fly, with no script, no big film crew, and a half-cocked idea about where to turn next. I want you to feel the Wanderlust and join me on my adventures. Come on!
Okay guys, check this out. We are at a small little shop, family run, mainly for locals here on the island. But this is where you can get your fix on some instant noodles. You say, what? Instant noodles? Huh? Why do I travel all the way through Asia to get instant noodles? Well, you should, because here in Southeast Asia, instant noodles are a main staple. People can make them in so many different ways. Today, we are gonna head into Sari Tama and we are gonna get some Mei Goreng. I am so excited because every little spot of Southeast Asia has their own version of what they can do with instant noodles. And Indonesia especially has some of the best. All right, let's head inside and see what's going on. Alright everybody, I'm really excited to be here at Sari Tama. It's a small local little mom and pop restaurant right here in the center of the village by the mosque where you can get some of the best ramen type instant noodle dishes ever. Now, ramen noodles are ubiquitous throughout Southeast Asia. Same with little crackers like this. This one's made from soybean, but most of the time they're made from rice. Like this one would be made from rice. And they're great little snacks that come with kind of every dish you could ever imagine. Okay? But what we're going to look at today is some Mei Goreng. And I am super excited to bring you the chance to see this because everywhere in Southeast Asia is some sort of dish made with an instant noodle, and Indonesia specializes in it. So we're going to tuck into this right now, and I'm going to tell you how it is. It's a whole bunch of mixed vegetables, fried eggs, some really good stewed chicken, and we're going to see what's going on. We have got the normal chili sauce here. This is Inu Buru Rasa. This is your regular tomato ketchup. And this is a sweet soy sauce. It's a sweet soy sauce that is kind of thick. So we'll see what's going on with those in a minute. Okay, this egg is beautiful. That's the beautiful thing about this island is you know where the eggs come from, so you know what everything is going to be about. You may even see some of the little egg factories running around behind me. Alright, let's tuck into that. That is so good. A nice stewed chicken piece here. Oh, that's amazing. That's really, really good. I, for one, want some of that hot sauce. This is supposed to be super hot sauce. It's like sambal, you know?
Okay, hold the phone, jackass. Let's define what sambal actually is. Sambal, noun. In Indian and Southeast Asian cooking, hot relish made with vegetables or fruit and spices. This is not sambal. This is actually hot sauce. Alright, back to the program.
Oh, and it looks so good. It is so full of spices. This is going to be some really good hot sauce. Get a little cracker on there for some crunch. Oh my god. Wow. That sambal. Wow. I could put that on everything. People think they like sriracha, but they've never had sambal. It's pretty much the real thing, you know? Not something just made in the valleys of California. Wow. That is super good. And now I'm going to dip into this. This is a rasa melon, which I think is just kind of like a muskmelon or a cantaloupe. The name of it is Loratan Penyagya. And this stuff is really refreshing. I totally advise you guys hook up with something local like this because it'll definitely serve you. Oh, okay guys, I'm really happy that I was able to bring you one of these little mom and pop shops right here on the island. And I hope you guys take advantage of them because sometimes they just get, you know, looked over because everybody wants their holiday dinner, their holiday meal, you know. So I will see you guys later around the island and yeah,